Hello guys, this is the first tutorial about introduction to Scala and its features and its installation. In this tutorial, I am going to cover these topics starting from installation, introduction until collections. These are the topics, various topics I am going to cover in this tutorials. Scala is an object-oriented and functional programming language. The first thing we are gonna see is what is Scala. Scala is a general-purpose programming language. It supports both object and functional programming language. This is the most helping feature, which comprises of both Java and C concepts into a single language. Scala is a general-purpose language, and it has some imperative programming approaches, and it is a strongly static type programming language. In Scala everything is an object, starting from declaring a variable, and when you're writing a function, everything is considered as an object in Scala. Scala is designed by Martin Odesky, which is for at the beginning it was both for Java and for .NET platforms. But later on in 2011 they have stopped .NET version of Scala. Now they are only supporting Scala's Java version. Okay, let's get into the installation part of Scala. For Windows thing, this is their scalalang.org downloads. If you go to this website, if you want to download Scala for Windows platform, you go to this website. There, at last, they will show it as an Scala -2.12.3 MSA version, which will automatically install starting from environment variable, and it will automatically prompt it to command prompt. For example, see, if you type Scala in your command prompt, it will automatically show Scala to the version which you have installed. In this thing, it will show like Java hotspots 4-bit M server, which is like Scala is built on top of Java. This is the main advantage of Scala. If you want to install Scala first, beforehand you have to install Java and Jre first. Now I will show how to install Scala in both Windows and Linux CentOS 6.8. This is the website. In this you can download this MSA folder, MSA file. Sorry. In this my laptop, I have already installed this Scala MSA. After this once you have clicked this MSA folder, MSA file, it will automatically install it in your Windows platform. Beforehand, you have to make sure that Java is already installed in your Windows system, and this Java. Once again, Java needs to be a latest version, which should be like a 1.8 and before version we should use. Then let's see what's the Scala version I'm using. This is the Scala version which I am running in Windows platform. Scala code runner version 2.1.2. Then the next step, I will show how to install this in Linux platform. In this, I am using a VMware to show how to install in Linux platform. I'm getting into terminal first. Let's see if Java is already present in Windows. Sorry, in CentOS. Yes, it is there, but I think Java version is 1.7.99. Let's see. This 1.7 version supports Scala. These are the set of commands which needs to be used beforehand before you are going to install. Sudo yum update. This command will update your system if the packages installed in your system is old, and then this reboot is after the updation is done. This will reboot your system to make the installation effect in your system. Next thing is install JDK. Open JDK environment. This is the command to install sudo yum install Java 1.1.8. This is the version to install JDK 1.8 in CentOS 6.8. Let's try this command. Yum install Java hyphen 1.8.0 and open JDK. It's a prompt for sudo password. I'm typing my sudo password. Oh, this is not in the sudo file. Let's see. Yeah, I got into the root one. Let's type. It is now installing the necessary packages which is needed for JDK. This will take a while to download and install in our system. After this, what you need to do is we need to check Java hyphen version to check what version you have, what version of Java you have installed. Besides, you are in CentOS, you need to set up environmental variable for both Java and Jre. In Windows, you need to install it. It will be on this PC. Right click. If you right click it in here, properties file. If you go to advanced system settings, it will be on environmental variables. If we go check it in here, it will be Java and Scala, both will be present. Now the installation of JDK is completed. Let's see what version it takes. Now it has taken to 1.8.0_141. Next thing we need to do is we need to set up both Java and Jre Home. Let's see where it has installed. In CentOS 6.8, I will be setting up environmental variable for Java in dot bash underscore profile. Slash let's see that dot Java. It's in here Java. In this, let's see how to set up the environmental variables in CentOS 6.8. In this, beforehand, you need to check whether the environmental variable is already set up in your system. Let's see echo Java Home. It's empty. So you need to give the environmental variable. So I'm changing it to /user plus jdk. This is the Java Home. Then this will be our JRE Java runtime environment variable. We need to set this thing in our profile. I'm copying this. Okay. Beforehand, I will copy the here. User jdk64. jdk64 jdk 1.8.0 jdk 1.8.0. Okay. Let's see in dot bash file. This is the path we have already defined. We need to add our Java along with this path. The first thing we need to give is in Java Home. Java underscore home. In the folder which we have installed it /user /jdk64 1.8.0 _77. Then I'm exporting this variable which contains the path of Java Home. And then I'm exporting this Java Home variable to our path. Export Then I'm giving which one it needs to refer into point the bin folder. Then I am declaring the JRE code. Hash user slash JDK 64 slash 8.3.0 .477 this JRE. And export the variable. Then export it the JRE variable to our path. We need to give this JRE home. So then we need to point this thing to bin. Again, that's it. We have installed this, save it. The next thing you will need to do is reboot the system. To take the configuration, okay, we need to wait till the system is getting rebooted. The system is getting rebooted now. The system is getting rebooted. Yeah, it got a yeah, it came up. So we need to go into the terminal to check whether our JRE home is set right and going into the root user. Okay, we have successfully installed Java and JRE and set up an environment variable in CentOS. Now we have to download Scala RPM and install it. Let's see what to do. We need to give this wget command and its HTTP URL to download our software. Downloads. It's downloading. Once this is finished, we need to go install this RPM. Scala is successfully downloaded now. Scala RPM. Now we have to install the Scala. Sudo yum. The command is sudo yum install Scala, and the version which we have downloaded. Now it's done, installed and completed. Let's check whether it's installed correctly. Yes, if you see this, it will show like this: Scala code runner version. It's installed successfully. In the next tutorial, we will see Hello World program, and we will start with the data types.